Most people don't realize this, but poor circulation doesn't happen suddenly. It builds silently over years through thickening blood, stiffening vessels, sluggish metabolism, and inflammation that blocks nutrient flow to the brain, heart, legs, and vital organs. If you've been feeling cold feet, tingling hands, heavy legs, slow healing, numbness, fatigue, or dizziness, these are not normal aging signs. They are warnings that your blood flow is weakening. But here's the good news. One simple drink, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science, can help open up your blood vessels, thin out sticky blood, and increase oxygen flow through the entire body, often overnight. And today, you'll learn exactly what this powerful drink is, why it works, and how to make it properly. The drink is a combination of warm lemon ginger turmeric infusion with a pinch of black pepper and a teaspoon of raw honey. This isn't just a home remedy. Each ingredient has been shown in studies to directly improve circulation. Ginger warms the body from the inside, relaxing blood vessels, reducing clot formation, and increasing the rate at which blood moves through arteries and veins. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that reduces artery stiffness, decreases cholesterol buildup, and makes blood less sticky. Lemon supports your liver, thins mucus, reduces cholesterol, and cleans out waste that slows blood flow. Black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric by nearly 2,000%, ensuring curcumin reaches your bloodstream where it actually works. And raw honey doesn't just sweeten the drink, it provides natural antioxidants that protect blood vessels and support smooth circulation. Combined, these ingredients become one of nature's most effective circulation boosters. When you drink this warm infusion before bedtime, something amazing happens during the night. Your blood vessels dilate, inflammation drops, your body releases nitric oxide more efficiently, and oxygen flow improves to the brain, heart, and muscles. Many seniors report waking up with warmer hands and feet, fewer leg cramps, clearer thinking, and more morning energy after drinking this for just one night. But circulation isn't just about comfort, it's about life. When blood flow weakens, every organ suffers. Your brain becomes foggy, your heart works harder, your kidneys struggle to filter, and your legs become heavy and painful. Over months and years, this leads to hypertension, heart disease, stroke risk, and neuropathy. So improving circulation isn't optional, it's essential. The best part is how simple this drink is to make. Here's the recipe. Warm 1 glass of water, not boiling, with a thin slice of ginger or half a teaspoon of ginger powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and half to 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Stir well and drink warm. For even stronger overnight results, add a tiny pinch of cinnamon, which further relaxes blood vessels and stabilizes blood sugar. Drink this 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. And here's something most people don't know. Your nighttime circulation determines how well you heal, restore cells, and detox. Better nighttime circulation improves your sleep quality, heart health, digestion, brain function, and even your morning mood. Over a week of drinking this, you may notice reduced swelling in your feet, fewer varicose vein symptoms, quicker warm-up in your hands, improved skin color, fewer headaches, and more stable blood pressure. Over a month, benefits can compound: more stamina, less fatigue during walking, reduced inflammation, and clearer thinking in the morning. But don't stop at just the drink. Support your circulation by staying hydrated, walking 10 to 15 minutes after dinner, avoiding heavy salty meals at night, and stretching your legs before bed. Combine these habits with this powerful bedtime drink and you may begin reversing years of poor circulation without medication. So if you've been struggling with tingling, numbness, cramps, or cold feet, or you simply want to protect your heart and brain, this drink may become the most important nighttime ritual you add to your routine. Try it tonight and see the difference by morning. Your blood flow will thank you. So, I encourage you to give this drink a try and see how it makes you feel. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and simple recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.